I have a Tower Dell XPS that I want to remove the hard drive and the DVD drive. So first of all, this is the side of the panel. There's a screw right here. You unscrew it, lift this part open, and with it open, here is the hard drive and here is the DVD. So unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4. Unscrew this one out. This is this out. Oh, before there was a connection of the wire. So unplug the wire, and this is the hard drive. Okay, now this is the DVD. I want to unscrew it. Disconnect the wire right here. These two wires. Unplug it out. Unscrew 1, 2, and then lift this tab. 4 tab. Leave it open. And here is the DVD drive. And I plan to use this externally, the hard drive and the DVD drive.